Hello everyone, it is update time finally. I know a ton of you guys have been asking if I could do a bit of an update. My move, where I am now. This is the new studio spot. So I'm sure on social, most of you, some of you, maybe even none have seen that I am out of my old condo. I've just recently moved. I've been sleeping here now for the past 5 days. My bed just arrived now, so it's behind me. I'll probably have to set that up later this weekend. But this is the spot where all the magic will happen and hopefully some awesome memories, just like my old place. So I guess the first question, why did I move from my old spot, even though I'm technically right around the corner? For those that are kind of tuning in and don't know the backstory, I do live in Toronto. I'm right here downtown. First off, I've been in my old spot for around 5 years, and it's crazy to think I've been there so long. I've been in that spot since I was in school, so I guess I needed a bit of a change. Second reason, I'm actually still holding on to my old spot, a bit of an investment opportunity. If you know anything about housing, about the market here in Toronto, it is ridiculous. If you can hold on to property, the value will only go up. Third, I wanted to have a spot that was just more than this studio where I could record. I felt like I was very limited in space. Here, I'm hoping to have more open space to record videos using the entirety, not just this area, the new studio, everywhere, and maybe even outside, which I will get to. So I did promise to give you guys a bit of a tour. Remember, it's still a work in progress. I still have new furniture coming. I still have a couple more renos that I have on my bucket list. And of course, everything is out of order. Let's switch this guy around and we will do a bit of a walkthrough. You don't want to see my face. You want to see the area. I guess we can start off with the kitchen area. And if you actually look here, this countertop, or this island, that was the color of the hardwood. So I got it redone into a more natural with a bit of hint of gray. And this is actually one of my renos that I want to change next. This island will be a gray color. I don't know, there's nothing too crazy that you want to check out in my kitchen. Maybe we can look at what's in the fridge. Obviously nothing either. Against the kitchen island, you'll probably see what's resting here. That is the 100-inch laser TV. And one day when I have time, this is going to be living on this wall right here. As I said, my bed is now sitting here. That will have to be assembled, but I'm also waiting on a kitchen table, or a dining table, I should say, that will live right in the middle here. I'm also getting up here a new chandelier, some new pot lights for the kitchen to live over top of the island. The thing that probably sticks out like a sore thumb, you'll notice, is all these beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows. And this, I think, is the key feature of this place. It has to be this amazing patio, which for a place in downtown Toronto, I've never seen anything like this. This patio is the selling point and one of the main reasons, if not the main reason, of grabbing this place. For someone that loves to spend time outside, I can foresee myself shooting a ton of content out here. Expect this to be the set in the summer, spring, fall. I'll probably even come out here sometime in the winter just because it's outside. All right, coming back inside. Let's go on to, I guess, my bedroom. This mirror should, or will actually be mounted up on this little wall. This is my makeshift bedroom for now. You can see that the bed is on the floor as I haven't assembled mine yet. We've also got a TV that is living on the floor as well. And there's actually a door that once again leads right out onto that balcony from the bedroom. Okay, hopefully next time you see this spot, the bed will be assembled. Dun, 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 into the area that I know all of you want to see, which is not this way, but it is this way. This is the new studio spot. It's a mess. You can see that I've got boxes literally everywhere. Nothing has been set up yet, but this is where most of the editing will happen. And what I love is this spot has beautiful natural windows all around. Let me show you guys. So all of this here is natural, beautiful light, very indirect, so it's not harsh. You guys can see that I've got my overhead rig already set up, one of my other B cams set up for when I'm sitting in this chair. This is where the main desk area will actually be. You can see my iMac Pro waiting, and the desk I'm actually gonna use is not this guy, but this very beautiful piece of natural wood, and that's actually a standing desk, and I'll give a full tour once that guy is fully set up. You can see my very large addiction to all of my backpacks and knapsacks. Over there, we've just got more storage. So yeah, all of these totes have to be unpacked. The tech has to be taken out. We've got more totes over there and hopefully utilize all of that storage space. And swinging around here, again, this is just some closet space and maybe one of my favorite cool looking little rooms. Has to be the coolest part though. Not that I'm a sneakerhead or anything, I just like cool shoes. We've got some Ultra Boosts, some Nikes, those are the Flyknit Mariahs, one of my favorites, Yeezys, and we've got some Off-Whites as well. And it's funny, when I was packing, it's actually the first time I've seen all of my sneakers, I guess, in one place. And I just have to give a huge shout out to StockX, who have been one of my partners for the longest time now. They hooked me up with some of the latest fire sneakers. I'm always the person that will wear them, and I hate people that just keep them as dead stock. Just gotta take all these tags off. And obviously the main reason why I love Off-White so much is the fact that they've got orange laces. And one more pair that I snagged from StockX, I want to get your guys' opinion. They're bright, they're orange, they are the Gatorade Jordans. So that is the sneaker cabinet. And I guess the last room that we can check out, past the desk, is just the washroom here. Nothing too crazy for you guys to check out. Some lights that I still have to buy there. We've got the shower, a weird box that says Xmas decorations, and that is it. The quickest little studio tour that you will see. So yeah, this has been my new spot. Remember, it's just a first glance. There is a ton of work to be done. Island replacement, bed setup, studio unpacked, desk setup in the studio, clean barbecue / patio, new kitchen table, new lights, install 100-inch TV. I'm sure there are more which I just cannot remember, but let me know what you guys think about this new studio. Give me some suggestions on how I can improve it, and I hope this spot will be the new cornerstone or the new area where I can make some awesome memories and of course share them with all of you. And I just hope to catch you in one of my next episodes, one of my vlogs, or they're just now gonna be combined into a hybrid. I'll catch you guys in just one of my next episodes. Peace.